In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF with tags and bookmarks in PowerPoint. Before we export, let's set up the deck so your PDF is clean, accessible, and easy to navigate. Start by checking your slide titles and overall structure. Every slide should have a clear, meaningful title in the title placeholder, not in a random text box. Titles become the PDF's bookmarks, so keep them concise and descriptive to make navigation effortless for your readers. If a slide doesn't need a visible title, consider keeping a logical title in the placeholder anyway and formatting it to fit your design, so the bookmark still makes sense in the final PDF. To stay consistent, use Slide Master layouts across the deck. Applying layouts like title and content ensures PowerPoint knows which text is the title, which helps the bookmarking process and keeps your structure reliable. Next, enable accessibility features so your PDF includes useful tags. Add alt text to images, charts, icons, logos, and any meaningful objects. Alt text should be short and specific, describing the purpose or key information the object conveys. For example, a chart's alt text might summarize the trend rather than list every data point. If something is purely decorative, note that in the alt text area so it doesn't distract screen readers. Then check the reading order, especially on more complex slides. Open the selection pane and confirm that items flow in the order you want them read, typically from title to main content, then supporting visuals. Drag items in the list to reorder if needed. This structure guides screen readers and becomes part of the PDF's tagged reading sequence. When your titles and accessibility details are in place, you're ready to export. Go to File, then Export, choose Create PDF XPS Document, and click Create PDF XPS. Pick your save location and file name and proceed with the export. PowerPoint will generate a PDF that includes bookmarks built from your slide titles and tags that reflect the structure and alt text you set up. After exporting, it's a good idea to open the PDF and quickly verify the Bookmarks panel shows your slide titles in order and that the document reads logically with assistive technology. If something isn't right, return to your slides, refine the titles, alt text, or reading order, and export again. With consistent layouts, clear titles, accurate alt text, and a verified reading order, you'll reliably produce a tagged PDF with bookmarks that's both accessible and easy to navigate.